Welcome to this tutorial on Monday.com columns. In this comprehensive guide, we will explain what Monday.com columns are, how to use them, and provide practical examples and best practices. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work in a customizable and flexible way. One of the key features of Monday.com is its column system, which enables users to organize and track their work in a clear and structured manner. A column in Monday.com is a vertical list of items that displays specific information about a task, project, or team. Each column can contain different types of data, such as text, numbers, dates, or even files. Columns can be used to track progress, assign tasks, set deadlines, and more. To create a column in Monday.com, simply click on the plus sign at the top of your board and select the type of column you want to add. You can choose from a variety of column types, including text, number, date, and more. Once you have created a column, you can start adding items to it. For example, if you have a text column, you can type in a description of a task or project. If you have a date column, you can select a specific date from a calendar. One of the most powerful features of Monday.com columns is the ability to use them to track progress and automate workflows. For example, you can use a status column to track the status of a task, and set up automation rules to move the task to a different column when its status changes. Best practices for using Monday.com columns include keeping your columns organized and concise, using clear and descriptive column names, and setting up automation rules to streamline your workflow. It is also a good idea to limit the number of columns on your board to only the most essential ones, to avoid clutter and make it easier to focus on the most important information. In conclusion, Monday.com columns are a powerful tool for managing and tracking work. By understanding how to use columns effectively, you can streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. With its flexibility and customization options, Monday.com columns can be adapted to fit the needs of any team or project, making it an essential feature of the Monday.com platform.